Sometimes you may just want to know how a certain type of data looks inside of Google Data Studio and not have an actual data. So in that case, what you can do is you can use something called sample data as a source as well. So I'm just going to go around onto the blank report area and create a blank report. And what I'm going to do is just select something right here. So I'm just going to go around and select the Google Sheet data over here itself. So now what I'm going to do is, since it is inserted, let me just go around and click on add to report right here. You can see that this is the data source that is here. But what you can also do is you can go around and insert out other data right here. So right now the data is company sales, as you can see. But as soon as I click over here, you can see some sample data over here that you can bring in. Let's say, for example, there's sample YouTube data right here. You can click on it and then you can click on add to report, and then you can see that all of them has been added to the report right here. So let me just go ahead and delete this out. And then I'm going to go to chart right here, and let me just go around onto a column chart just like this. And now you can see there's the record count right here just like this from this, as you can see. So what I want is I want sample data right here. So I'm going to go around onto the data source. So let me just go around and close this, click on select data source, and here you can see the samples as well. So if I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, Google Ads right here, you can click on add to report, and then you will get the data of that sample data right here, just like this, as you can see. And you know how this would actually look. You can go around and add in different things over here. As you can see, there's, for example, combo chart right here. And similarly, you can see the sample right here. You can go around, select the sample source right here, and you can go for Google Analytics, and you can press add right there. And then what happens is that the data source will be added out. So let me just go around, add that in right here. And then you can see that there's the sample data right here, which has been added, and it'll show up the graph accordingly, as you can see right here. And that is how you can utilize sample data to see how charts actually work, charts actually look, or data will look on your report inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.